people that are very frustrated with the AdWords and Bing reporting they're getting. We have all these great information to say which ads and which keywords turn into clicks and conversions. But once we get into the metrics that really matter for B2B, which are opportunities for your sales team and customers, it tends to get very vague and very generalized. We'll know which landing page and probably campaign, maybe even for granular, we'll know which ad group it came from. But when we get to the point of what keyword was actually searched in order to generate that opportunity and future customer, it tends to get very vague. And that's a huge problem when you want to try to optimize for the metrics that are actually influencing your bottom line. So there are some integrations and marketing automation platforms that do this for you. For those of us that don't have one of those or aren't a Rockefeller and can't buy it, this solution is for you. And also, we're looking at this from the context of an organization that's using the Google auto tagging. And why that matters is when you're using Google auto tagging, it adds a click ID rather than actually adding each URL parameter. So those UTM codes you're typically seeing. If you are using manual tagging, you can be able to skip a couple steps here that should be apparent once we get into this. But if you're using auto tagging, here is essentially how you can get around that, have the best of both worlds. To have that great data that auto tagging provides in your Google AdWords instance, and also having some of that key information that matters in your marketing automation system, in your CRM system, without buying any additional software. So here I have a basic form created in a software solution called ActiveCampaign, where the keyword is a hidden field. And we're going to my contact record in ActiveCampaign, and you'll see this keyword field here is blank. Next, we're jumping over to my demo account of Google AdWords, and I have created a basic ad for this demonstration where Google auto tagging is enabled in this account. So I have added a parameter of keyword using the value track insertion for the keyword used to show the ad. So whenever somebody clicks one of your AdWords ads, the keyword that triggered that is going to be put into the URL. And this can also be done at an account level as well. But if you just want a granular view at it, this is where you would put it in. And there's a couple different ways to do this. So here I'm going to click on this and go to my very barbaric landing page. And you're going to see in this URL, since this wasn't a live demonstration, it's just going to show keyword. This is where your actual keyword that triggered the ad will appear up using the value tracking. So let's put in example and reload the page. I'm just going to fill in my information. Just like that, I'm going to go back over to my contact record, and now we're going to see that that parameter is on my contact record. At this point, it'll be pretty easy to take this and map it to the opportunity, to the account, whatever your internal process look. You now have this information in your marketing automation solution, and you can get creative with how you tie that to best show the ROI for your specific business. And this is just one simple example for the keyword. Other explanation or other use cases for this is I know some people that don't have the information between Google and Bing clearly out. This would be a great place just to put a simple UTM source in for Google or Bing. You may want to bring the ad group into this or something completely different. But it really is this easy to get the keyword information into your CRM so you're able to actually optimize on the metrics that matter to your business.